one bag of 50s, a second bag of 50s, and I seem to be a glutton for punishment because I got myself a bag of 10p's. Yeah, for some reason I picked up a bag of 10p's at the bank as well. I'd ordered £500 in 50p's, and then the lady at the bank had only got the one bag out for me, so she had to go out the back and see if she had a second bag of 50p's. So I said, oh, why are you going out the back? Yeah. Can you see if you've got any 10p's? It just sprung into my head, and I haven't done a 10p hunt video in a year plus, I'm not sure actually, and my 10p album is way different to how I left it in the last video, 10p hunt video. So yeah, that will be coming up hopefully in the next couple of weeks some point. So for now we're going to put that to one side. So yeah, I got a couple of bags of 50p's, the 12th, the 30th, ooh, 12th of the 1st, 22, the 1st, 22, and this is 30th of the 5th, 22. Let's give this a quick look before I open this up. There's Britannias, so it's a mixed bag. There's got to be shields in there as well, obviously, and this one, shields. I'm just double checking to see they're not all shields. There's an old Britannia, the old portrait of the Queen, so I guess they're both nicely mixed bags, which is cool. Let's get the 12th of the 1st out of the way. So again, put this one to one side. We're going to start with this 50p bag. And no, why has someone put staples in them? Oh, someone's put staples in them. Oh well, it's the other end. I don't care about that end. Okie dokie. Let's get going. Oh, I was almost about to start counting them for a second. I don't do that anymore. So, chuck them to the back. Let's get going. I haven't shown you the book in ages. Last hunt, was it? Someone said about, did I need some of the Olympics for my book? I've done very well just lately with Olympics, so this video and the next I've got a lot to live up to, so yeah. I found the wrestling and tennis, volleyball, something else and something else. It's in the good book. Oh yeah, gymnastics, wasn't it? But no, I didn't need any of those for my album. I'm still looking for a Kew Gardens. I'm very tempted just lately to buy another Kew Gardens. I don't know why. Cycling. God, cycling. Gotta find cycling. Hockey, judo, isn't it? Judo and rowing to finish the book. And everything else we have right up to a very smart 70th Jubilee. Sorry, hang on. Where's the bit? You've seen it before, but there you go. There's the coin. Right. So, yes, I'm missing those four. Rowing, judo, cycling, Kew Gardens, of course. Right. What am I doing? Okay, yeah, of course I am. I'm doing a coin hunt. No pre-tears. Some of the bags, they come with a little tear already pre-made into the bag, so they're much easier to open, and sometimes I really struggle to get these open. There is a little sweet spot somewhere in the bag, but I can never remember where it is. A little sweet spot that lets you tear it open so much easier. That is definitely a Britannia. Britannias, if I find a 2008, that's wicked because that is a low mintage year. Otherwise, they just get chucked back to the bank. A nice shiny shield, 2019 shield there. Shield's a little bit of a different story. 2017 is a low mintage year, very desirable, but again, I have a ton of them, so I probably throw it back to the bank. There we go. But the years I'm looking for is 9, 10, 11, 16, 18. They're all NIFC years, not intended for circulation. I'm also looking for my first 2020 shield. Please, I'm really desperately trying to find one. 21 and 22, we're looking for them as well. I should be checking all the shields for those key dates. And I will try my best, but sometimes I just get carried away, or I get bored and just whiz straight past them. But yeah, oh dear, bust bag, nothing found, no commemoratives found in that first bag, so we crack on with the second bag. Oh, that was easier to tear. Nice one. Our first commemorative, which is Sherlock Holmes. Always quite happy to see him. Very badly scratched. That centre part, the what do you call it? The silhouette. The silhouette of Sherlock Holmes. That's quite high raised in the centre of the coin, so that always gets scratched up. Always gets beaten up because it's raised. That's the words I was trying to find. What an idiot I sound like. Another commemorative, which is diversity. There we go. Nice one. Right, I've just had to stop filming my coin hunt because basically the council have turned up and they're going to cut all these trees back. So yeah, that's going to be a bit noisy quite soon. Right, I had to stop filming there for a second because I just found out that a load of trees at the back of my garden are going to get cut down by the council. So I'm probably not going to get this video finished before there's a ton of noise. So they're not doing anything just yet. So I'm going to crack on until I really have to stop, until the noise is really too great to film. So here we go with another bag. Let's hope we find something amazing. Or I can just find bust bag after bust bag. That's ridiculous. Never mind. That is the Victoria Cross, the heroic act. There we go. Like I say, I think I've gone about 4 or 5 bust bags in a row. Not too impressed with this bag, with this hunt. Oh look, well there you go, Christopher Ironside. And Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle, 2016 Beatrix Potter collection. She's the only one out of that set that is not above face value, I think. That's a very nice Britannia. That stood out a little bit. 2006. It just sort of, I don't know. Sometimes they just stand out, and it's, in my experience, more than likely, if it stands out, it's a 2008 Britannia. I don't know why that is, because they're all in circulation just with the rest of them. But yeah, that's how I find most of my 2008 Britannias. Is it just stands out for, you know, shiny reasons. That is a Roger Bannister. There we go. Common, unfortunately. 2003 Britannia. 2019 Shield. Oh, Benjamin Bunny, 2017. Slide her up. There we go. Oh, that's the other Victoria Cross. Get it out the right way. That is the medals. There you go. Oh, Paddington. My favourite Paddington at Paddington Station. Do we know that for a fact? Is it actually Paddington Station? Is that the designer's intent for it to be Paddington Station? There we go. My favourite Paddington coin. Paddington at the station. Definitely the best design. I'm going to put Sherlock over here and diversity, and we'll do a little Paddington corner, as Bungle likes to call it. That one and that one. Oh, 2018. What's that going to be? Let's spin it and find out. Ah, People Act. There we go, cool. Nice one. Oh, another Christopher Ironside. Another Christopher Collects. Oh, very nice. My favourite Peter Rabbit. That's the 2016 Peter Rabbit. Very nice. My favourite design. Definitely the best Peter Rabbit one. Definitely. Oh, very nice. Happy with this one. Look at this. Beatrix Potter anniversary coin. Now, I do not find these very often at all. At all. Very nice. I don't think it's over face value by a lot, but it is over face value, so normally. But yes, a very cool coin. I liking that. I like. Especially on a day when I'm not finding a whole lot. That's quite a cool one. Like I say, I don't find it often. It's always a nice surprise when I do. Cool. Most of the time I hang on to those anniversary ones as well. Most of the time. I'll have to check, see how many I've got already. And if I've got over 10, which I'm pretty sure I would do, I'll probably chuck it back to the wild. But a lot of the time I keep them. Oh, we've got a couple here. We got Tales of Peter Rabbit. Bit dull. Not exactly grotty, but very tarnished, very dull. 2017 Peter Rabbit. And then we got another Paddington. Get rid of these. And that is the Paddington at the Palace. 2008. Teen. Where is... Yeah, 2018, yeah. 2018 Paddington at the Palace. Paddington Corner, there we go. Right, how many bags? I've got 4, 5, 6, 7 bags left. No hidden bags at the back this week. Okay, it's all against me today. Everyone's against me. Battery just ran out, so I've had to change that. The what are they called? The tree fellas, the tree surgeons, the whatever lumberjacks. They've started a few down. They're also doing a few trees a bit further down the road. So I think they've started down there. So you may hear some chainsaw noise in the background. You may not. But that means I can probably just get on and finish this video, and then I might be able to start the next one, but everything's conspiring against me today. Bust bags, batteries running out, and noise. So yeah, I just want to get through this. Ah, dear. I gotta get through this. I gotta get through this. No, I'm not singing, don't worry. Another Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle. Oh, another Roger Bannister. Roger the Dodger. And there go the chainsaws. Oh, another Diversity. Dictionary, the coin I love to hate. Yay! A Brexit. I'm just going to carry... Oh, that's the pile of coins right there that I forgot to finish. Or I didn't finish because my battery ran out. I've just left them standing there. Idiot. Alright, there we go. Finish this bag. Oh, horrendous noise. Another bunny. Another Brexit. Another medals. Oh, sorry, that was the last bag, by the way. I normally say last bag and then talk my way through the last bag, but I completely forgot. Got distracted by all the noise of the tree surgeons, or whatever they're called. Beatrix Potter anniversary is probably about the best coin there. I've had lots of Olympic coins, Olympic finds just lately, and now I haven't. Oh well. So once the noise has died down, I'll film next week's 50p coin hunt. But until then, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.